Okay, this one's sauce, it's about to become your new obsession. It's called Pon Shabu. It's Japanese, it's tangy, it's garlicky, and once you toss it with beef and these crunchy screw peppers, honestly, I couldn't stop eating this straight out of the bowl. I actually found this sauce kind of by accident, and now it's in my fridge permanently. And the best part? This whole thing comes together in under 20 minutes. No fancy equipment, no deep frying. Just a pot of boiling water and a bowl. Let's get into it. First up, screw peppers, also known as cow horn peppers. If you haven't cooked with these before, they've got this great mild heat and a really satisfying crunch. Way different from your usual bell pepper, and honestly, a lot more fun to eat. Cut them in half, scoop out the seeds, and here's a little tip. Use a small spoon instead of a knife. It's so much faster and way less messy. Then slice them into thin strips. You want them nice and even so they cook at the same rate. If some pieces are thick and some are thin, you'll end up with soggy bits and crunchy bits in the same bowl. And we don't want that. Now, the star of the show, the sauce. In a bowl, minced garlic, our Pon Shabu sauce. That's a Japanese sauce. Kind of citrusy and savory at the same time. You'll find it in most Asian grocery stores or online. A splash of sesame oil, some black pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. Mix that up and, honestly, just the smell alone is doing something to me right now. This sauce is doing all the heavy lifting in this recipe, so don't rush this part. Really make sure that salt dissolves and everything's blended evenly. Mix until well combined, then set it aside. Little tip here. If you want it a bit spicier, a few drops of chili oil in this mix works really well too. This sauce is going to tie the whole dish together. Quick blanch time. And this part's easy. Peppers go in first. 3 minutes in boiling water, a pinch of salt, then drain them right away so they keep that crunch. Don't walk away and forget about them though, because a few extra minutes and they'll turn mushy on you. Beef goes in next, also 3 minutes. Just enough to cook it through without drying it out. This method keeps everything tender and juicy, and it's honestly one of my favorite ways to prep beef for a quick dish like this. No oil, no mess, just clean flavor. If you want an extra layer of flavor, you can even boil the beef in the same water you used for the peppers. It picks up a little bit of that flavor too. Last step. Everything goes into one big bowl. Beef, peppers, fresh coriander, and that sauce we made earlier. Toss it all together until every strip is coated. And look at that! Simple, fast, and packed with flavor. This is one of those dishes that tastes way more impressive than the effort it actually takes. Honestly, perfect for a quick weeknight dinner, or even as a light appetizer if you're hosting. If you tried this, let me know how it turned out in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And if you're new here, I've got tons more quick, flavor-packed recipes just like this one. See you in the next video!